Hello users, so in this video we will show a push notification, a browser push notification whenever a new user is online or whenever a user has left the chat or get offline. So to do that we will use the push.js library, and you can uh, so first of all we need to include the push.js, and you can get it from here from the cdn.js, and just need to include that push.js in our app.blade.php, just include it here. And so now what we need to do is, in our JS code, whenever we receive any typing indicator, so whenever we emit any user connected event, to we need to pass the information about that user, like or name or something. So what we can do is, here, instead of directly emitting the event, we need to first we need to get the details of that user. So we can say com.query select star from users where id equals to dollar click.handshake dot query dot user id function err, and we will get the details in the response object. You can say if err through err, else we can say if response 0, if record is found we can say emit an event, just and pass the all the data about that user in the user connected event. Okay, and now here currently we are directly targeting that id, but now we need to use data.id here, and also we need to use push.notify. So you can check the syntax here. So here it is, and we can say just copy it here and paste it, and we can say hello, and here we can say dollar data.name. This should be inside the template strings. Name is online, and we don't have any icon yet. Timeout will be this, and on click we can say window.focus and this.close. So now if we refresh the page, first of all let's close this. I need to also, okay, so we received an error, conc is not defined. Let's check it, just the issue. Okay, so here we made a typo again. So our server is now running. Rahul is showing online, but Rahul is offline because our server get crashed and the status of the Rahul is not changed in the database. So what we can do is, we does not need to do anything. We just can see if we try to log in with the Rahul. And now here let's say okay, now Rahul is online, and let's see what happens here. Okay, so now what we need to do is user connected. Okay, that's can show if close the tab. I think there is a problem. There is something problem, but we are not receiving this event. User connected. Let's check if okay, so now let's refresh the page, and as you can see Rahul is offline. Let's create a login again with the Rahul's profile, and if I get logged in, okay, so Rahul.com. So as you can see, it's asking us to show the notification. If I allow, it's saying hello, Rahul is online. Again, if we log in with Dev, it will again show us notification, and this time it will not ask for the permission. If you can say Dev, you log in with Dev, you can see hello, Dev is online. This notification is for this one, and if we refresh with this again, it will say Rahul is online, and here it will ask us for the same hello, Rahul is online, and the same way we can also send the push notifications or these browser notifications when someone is get disconnected or get offline, or also we can show these pop-ups whenever we receive any chat message. So this is how you can integrate the notifications. And yeah, that's all for this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.